All right, so check this routine out right here. Get you a set of 20-pound dumbbells, 15 reps, 10 sets. The numbers never fluctuate. The only thing that we're going to go up in is the push-ups. We're going to start at 21 and climb all the way up to 31 as fast as we can. This is an advanced pump, but very old school. We're going to target the biceps, the forearms, the chest, the anterior deltoid, and the core from doing the push-ups itself. So like I said, real basic, very effective. If you don't have dumbbells, then you could just do it on the regular floor. These are 35-pound dumbbells. I'm going to do the push-ups at a wider grip, gripping the end of the dumbbell for more forearm engagement, all right? So I'm going to start out with 21, going all the way up to 31. The hammer curls are going to remain the same, 15 reps. This is a cardio pump, and also it will definitely contribute to aesthetics as well. So like I said, the goal is to do it as fast as you can, no breaks in between. Even if you break, which I'm expecting to do, it's all good. Short breaks, keep going until you get to that goal number, 21 to 31 climb. Let's get it. $15 hammers. Let's get it. $22 is next. Let's get it. $15 hammers. $23 is next. Let's go. $15 hammers. Let's go. $24 is next. Let's go. First breaking point. Oh, you 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get those 4. $15 hammers. Let's get it. $25 is next. 15 down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. Let's fight for it. $25 down. 15 hammers. Let's go. Even with the volume count not changing with the hammers, they accumulate intensity when you combine it with the superset. 26 is next. Let's get. $17 down. 9 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $15 hammers is next. Let's go. $27 is next. Let's get. $17 down. 10 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. E. 27 down. 15 hammers. Let's get. E. 28 is next. Right into it. Let's get. $15 down, 13 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the fight is real now. No reps left behind. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Let's get. 28 down, 15 hammers. Back to it. Let's go. $29 is next. Let's get to it. 16 down. 13 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. $25 in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you 4. Okay. 15 hammers. Ooh, shit. Let's go. Hey. 30 is next. All right, let's go. Uh, 17 down. 13 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. $25. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get. All right, that was 30. 15 hammers. Let's go. Hey. All right, grand finale, 31. Last set. Let's get. $19 down. 12 more. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. $27. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Last 4. Let's get. Last set of 15. Hammers. Let's get. Mm. 20 at the end. 100 jumping jacks. Let's get it. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. A great pump, very simple, but very effective and full of intensity. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit me with your positivity, because every time I hit that red button, that's damn sure what I aim to do for you guys. Peace.